Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at a RocwooD self-propelled petrol lawnmower with a cutting width of 17 inches. This petrol lawnmower is a top-selling propelled model in the market, offering exceptional value for money. It is equipped with a robust 132cc OHV 4-stroke engine, and it effortlessly tackles even the toughest lawn jobs. It is ideal for small to medium gardens. It features self-propelled drive, so you use minimal effort when cutting your grass. In addition, it's also fitted with a 0.8 litre fuel tank, so you can cut around your whole lawn without needing fuel. This is the perfect lawnmower to pick to keep your lawn looking spectacular. The lawnmower comes mostly complete when out of the box. However, all the separate pieces are laid out in front. There are some clips to connect the cables, the handles, as well as the handle clips, and of course the lawnmower base. A grass catcher is also available as well, however not pictured. There is not much to assemble for this lawnmower. All we have to do is attach the handles. Just take the screws apart, put one set of handles on, and then put the outer handles on top of that. The handles fold over for compact storage and easy transportation, making the item easy to store away, ideal for garage, garden sheds, or transporting within a vehicle. It is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for excellent manoeuvrability. Please make sure to attach the cable clips onto your lawnmower to make sure the cables stay out of the way rather than getting caught on something. Furthermore, this product features a 45 litre grass catcher. It's very easy to assemble, all you have to do is just slide it on and it's in place. The lawnmower features adjustable cutting heights. It has 7 different cutting positions starting from 25mm and increasing to 75mm, along with grooved wheels for traction. The product also features a recoil start to start the 132cc engine. Here are the specifications for this lawnmower. The SKU is RWLM SP17, the drive type is a self-propelled lawnmower, the engine displacement is 132cc, the cut width is 43cm, the power source is petrol, the collector capacity is 45 litres, it features a rotary blade and has a noise level of 96 decibels. It also features 6-inch front wheels and 8-inch back wheels. Finally, it has a warranty of 24 months. Business or continuous use will validate this warranty. Thank you for watching.